gas pulse off and oxygen on, and you can go ahead and open that valve. So it's right here. Just put your thumb on it, push it over, or push it straight back.
Yes.
Okay. So one of the things that happened on that takeoff was we got, it was a little slippery because it was raining, and so the control is a little more needs to be a little more precise. If you feel like you're over controlling it, you're press hard with both feet, so that way it helps to dampen your urge to back and forth, which this airplane doesn't like very much because of the long wings and the fuel sloshing.
Is that ice already collecting or not?
Yeah, it's a little.
What's
You
the
can
white?
see it on the wings. You look out the window there. You can see like trace, maybe. But let's activate the boots and see if we can get it to come off.
Yeah.
Yep. Surface de-ice is on. Now the tail boots first, and then the bottom of the wing, and then the top of the wings. There wasn't really a lot there to begin with, but whatever's there is gone. How about the tail? Does it look clean to you?
Now we still have this white line.
Okay, so that would be trace. And so an icing report is a good thing to do. At least I believe ASA requires it. I know ICAO does.
So I can just report
so
flight level 150, trace ice?
Well, in the climb, 135 to 145, trace clear, I think that was. Trace clear, minus 4C. So you give them the altitude, the type of ice, and the quantity. So it's trace clear in the climb, 14,500, minus 4C. And I would just key the mic and say who we talk to, control center.
Radar.
Radar. So tell radar PIREP. And then tell them the type, clear, trace, or trace clear, altitude 14.5 in the climb, minus 5.
Okay, I'll try to.
Yeah, it's just 3 things. You'll get it.
Okay. Beef Radar, November 363, Juliet Romeo, pilot reports, flight level 140, trace, clear ice, minus 5 Celsius.
Good, nicely done.
Number 363, Juliet Romeo, roger, information copied.
Okay.
Do we need to prop heat? Yeah, it's on.
It's on, and the boots are on. So the wings are good, and well, it doesn't, we don't pick up more than that. There's still like
that means
a white line.
Still trace, yeah. So, and light ice means that it goes away and it doesn't really come back.
Okay.
If it never really went away because there's so little of it, that's trace. Moderate means it takes constant use of the equipment to keep the airplane clean. And that's bad for us because we have too many unprotected areas that can cause a reduction in airspeed. So really, all we're allowed to fly in by my rules, my SOP, is light ice.
Okay.
And that we know how to find because we have ForeFlight, we have an icy forecast, we even have it in 3 dimensions. So.
What about this radar?
Yeah, this has it, but not here, I don't think. You have it here on your FISB weather. And it's, I think, not quite as good as ForeFlight, but then it is real time. So you can come here, here's a message. airspace. Don't care.
November 363 Juliet Romeo, and what about ice at higher level?
Negative ice.
Negative ice, 363 Juliet Romeo.
Roger.
Right, so we could turn the icing on. So when we do, the next rad goes off.